What's up guys, in this video I will be showing you a next generation cold wallet for your crypto. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so Hito landing page link will be in the description of the video, guys. This is a one-of-a-kind wallet, guys. One of the things I like about this one is that its glass is made of tempered glass and the body is metal. It's thin, wireless, and a color touch screen. Alright, so meet Hito, a user-friendly hardware crypto wallet. It's thin, it's wireless, and it's secure. With a full color touchscreen, it's perfect for your NFTs. And believe me guys, if I had the need to buy another wallet, I will definitely check this one out and buy this crypto wallet. So your assets in full color, it says it's extra secure. Hardware wallets offer the best protection for your crypto assets, and I strongly agree on that one, guys. If you are a heavy trader, you use MetaMask or you use other wallets, then I would strongly suggest or even recommend, guys, that you purchase a hardware wallet just like Hito. That way, you know, when there are hackers or something like that, it will not be easy for them or close to impossible for them to hack or steal your crypto assets for you, because you would need to confirm the transaction, especially when you are sending out crypto. You would need to confirm that from your hardware wallet before it proceeds with the transaction. So easy to use. You don't need a friend who's been in crypto for a decade to help you figure out how to start using Hito. Set it up in just 5 minutes and continue using it just as easily. That's easy to use. Next, it's full color. As you could see here, Hito comes with a 2-inch full color touchscreen that you can interact with it intuitively. So just like your phone, even more importantly, you can check details of every transaction you sign, which is the primary thing why you would like to have your hardware wallet. So it's compact. This wallet fits into a wallet. It's a gadget that's the size of a credit card. So it's just like that big. So for your inner nerd, here are the exact dimensions. Okay, you have that dimensions in there. And then Hito was designed to make your crypto life secure and simple. Our ambition is to make crypto mainstream. Everyone, even your granny or that friend of yours who's still on Skype, should be comfortable with a cold crypto wallet. So again, guys, this is something that I would definitely recommend that you check out. For the user experience, it's very, very easy to use. Set it up in 5 minutes, just like what it says. And then it's compact, right? Okay, and the name Hito means human, designed to make you feel confident about your self-custody for the digital assets you own. Again, guys, if you own crypto assets, then I will definitely recommend get yourself a hardware wallet like this. All right, so you have security here, you have features, intuitive app. You can go ahead and pre-order, and this is actually very, very cheap. Oh my goodness, I got mine for $300 and it's not even colored. This one is colored. It's very, very intuitive. It's new, the next generation of hardware wallets. I would get myself one if I need one. It's very, very cheap. It's $99, like a third of the price of the crypto wallets out there, the top brands of crypto wallets out there. It's a third of the price, plus you get what you need for your crypto. All right, so you can go ahead and check them out as well, guys. They also have their FAQs in here. If you have any questions, feel free to use the comment section below. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe. Click that bell, that will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.